today's episode is going to be by a request from my little brother, Truth RC, which will be crispy chicken sandwich, which will be a deluxe crispy chicken sandwich, okay? With everything on it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what I first wanna do, I already have my chicken breast. I'm gonna cut these in half because they're thick. I don't want them to be thick like that. So I'm gonna cut them in half so there'll be about 6, chicken patties. So we're gonna come on over here, and I just have some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna add that to my skillet here. Like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get that good and hot. So now what I wanna do is come back over here, and I just wanna go ahead and slice my chicken breast in half. Now these are already washed, and I did pack them dry. My hands are good and washed as well. So I just wanna come, you kinda wanna like fillet them, actually. See how that is, just like that. Just open them up. Put right down the middle of it. Now if you want to do the whole chicken sandwich just like that, you actually can, but I'm going to cut these in half. Put it on my cutting board, but it'll be okay. Okay, so you're going to do it just like that. The chicken, it's not as thick. Okay. Just like that. And I'm going to do this one here. Like that. It's perfect. Y'all know the ingredients will be in the description below, as always. Now in the beginning, I didn't always put the ingredients in there, but I did try to go back and, bless you, that was my daughter sneezing. And I did go back and try to add some. So if you see any videos that don't have descriptions of the ingredients in the description, y'all just let me know. Hit me up, tell me. I'll add it. It's not a problem. All right. Okay. So what I'm gonna dip my chicken breast in, I'm gonna make an egg batter with bread, crumbs, and flour. So I'm just gonna get these eggs in here. Get those beat up real good. With this little egg mixture here, I'm gonna add just a little bit of Italian seasoning in here. Like that. Just a little bit of Italian seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. A little bit of garlic powder here. And onion powder. Now I think this is open yet. Egg mixture here. I'm just going to give that a good beat here. So now what we want to do is season our season our chicken. So I have a little bit of salt here, and I'm just gonna season each one of these patties here. A little bit of salt. You want to give it some flavor. You don't want it to be bland, but just don't add too much salt, okay? Okay, so we're gonna do that. Add some pepper here. And I'm gonna do this to both sides, okay? All right, so we're gonna add some onion powder. So I'll sprinkle that on there, just like that. A little bit of garlic powder. Grease is getting hot. All right, and then we're gonna do just a little bit of Italian seasoning. You don't have to add that on there if you don't want to, but I like to add just a little bit. And now I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You guys, so the chicken breasts are already seasoned, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take one of these. All you want to do is just coat it with the egg, just like that. Kind of let the excess, you know, egg drip off a little bit. Then we're gonna go ahead and come over here and dip it in the breadcrumbs. Just kind of coat that really good on both sides. And then you want to dip it in your flour here, okay? So put your flour. That's just gonna make it crispier. That's all it's gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna get these fried up. Okay. Egg. Drip off some. Breadcrumbs. Go ahead and get these battered up, and then we'll get over to this skillet. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this over here. Our vegetable oil is good and hot. See that? That's what you want. Exactly what you want right there. Just gonna add these three. Let them cook. All right, so we're gonna get these cooked over. So good, they're looking good. So the chicken breasts are good and fried up and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and make a sandwich, and I'm using Sara Lee artisanal bread. I think that's how you say it. Forgive me if I said it wrong. But I'm gonna go ahead and use these type of buns. I was like, oh, they look so good, and they feel so soft. Really good and soft. Let's put back in here real quick. Yep, good and soft. And I also had some romaine lettuce that I cut up. My pickles, tomato, and onions. And y'all hear my little man. And I have some mayo and cheese. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get this mayo on here. And you can use mustard if you want to, or any other type of sauce that you like to use on your sandwich. Okay, so we're gonna put that on there. I'm gonna add cheese. I'm just using regular medium cheddar cheese. I'm gonna add that to that there. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and add a piece of lettuce. Just add it to the bottom here. Lettuce. We'll add the onion. We'll add the tomato. And we'll go ahead and add the pickles too. And good shot of the daughter. Get to the side. Show them that good chicken sandwich. It's really good. Yep. Crispy chicken deluxe. Okay, you guys. I do want to thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time.